Hi, my name's Michael. I'm a fourth-year student at DeGroote. I'm focusing on accounting and info systems as my specialization, and I'm part of the DeGroote Analytical Insights Committee. Last year, I was the External Relations Director, and this year I'm very excited to be taking over as the co-chair of the committee. Absolutely. I believe that information systems aligns with the DeGroote Analytical Insights focus because there is so much data in all sorts of industries, whether that's accounting, finance, marketing, HR, and info systems. Info systems is a really big part of data analysis because there's AI, databases. Last year, we did do a workshop focusing on AI in collaboration with the McMaster AI Society. And we had the students in the workshop decipher between whether the URLs presented to them were dangerous URLs in phishing emails or whether those URLs were safe URLs to click on. I believe that it's very important for students to have experiential learning opportunities in DeGroote because it improves their resumes. It lets employers know that they're an involved student and that they're willing to go the extra mile to take their knowledge a little further, whether that's brushing up on their soft skills like communication and teamwork, or whether that's those hard skills like data analysis, Excel, Power BI, Python, and those sorts of skills that employers really like students to know before they go into the job market. It improves their career prospects, and it also improves the learning opportunities that they have along the way. Absolutely. Last year, we did have a lot of cool events focusing on industries based on like info systems, marketing, finance, accounting, HR. We brought in industry professionals from these industries, and they got to network with our students, teach them some skills. Our students got to showcase their skills as well. And in the end of the year, we did have an awesome event. We did our first ever case competition, and we brought in a sponsor from an operations company called Metro Supply Chain, and they got to see our students' skills that we've taught them throughout the year. In the case competition, they used open-ended problem solving with the tools available to them, and they were able to show the skills that they've learned in info systems and data analytics. Absolutely. So since the conception of the DAI, our members have become extremely successful in whatever they do. I know the co-founders, Amanda and Lauren, have gone on to do exceptional work. Amanda has become the president of the DCS last year, and she did an awesome job in creating a welcoming space in the DCS. Lauren became the co-chair of the Canadian Marketing League, which is an amazing case competition with awesome prizes for all sorts of students. And Maytel, our co-chair last year, went on to recreate the DeGroote Operations Association, which was a dead club, but she revived it. She's a trailblazer. She's amazing for that. And Sydney became the vice president of HR at DeGroote Commerce Society. So she's hiring, she's doing interviews, she's dealing with all sorts of problems within the DCS and doing an amazing job at it.